everybody, it's me, Miss Foot Fixer. We have this lovely patient here that has a bit of fungal nail infection, a bit of damage. So what we're going to do is remove the nail itself. We cut it back before, but there's still, like I said, a bit of damage. So we're going to loosen up the nail up like this. Please tell me if it does hurt or anything, okay?
Yeah.
And then this is a very, very simple procedure. And then we're just going to clear everything up. Go into here. And hopefully loosen it up. Twist a little bit, lift it up and elevate it. You okay?
Yeah, it was fine.
Yeah. I just double check because you never know. And what we're going to do is just elevate this nail. Just going to hold on to here. Doesn't want to come off in one go. Bleeding. Kind of better, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. There we go. It's easier to grip. So the nail is coming off loose. So the nail is gone. Excellent. So I've got one of the nails out. Just going to have a look inside. Good. A little bit. Okay. That looks good. Okay. Okay, excellent. Fantastic. Let's dress it. Tuna cut off time. Just the gauze pad. Yeah. Then I'm not going to touch anything. I'm going to go into... You'll put the tuna cut on. Excellent, thank you, Stephanie. Do you want to have a look at your nail?
Oh my god, it is bigger than it did, but I suppose that's because
it's curved inward.
Yeah.
So now, if you want to be notified for my next video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button.